Hi, my name's Nikki Rivers. I'm the Living Landscape Development Manager, but at the moment, like you, I'm stuck at home with my family. This is one of my daughters, Jasmine.
Hi.
Last year, Jasmine, myself, my other daughter and daughter's friend made this bug hotel, and this is what I'm going to talk to you about today. It's something that you might want to make, particularly if you're having a clear out of your garden or home, because you might find things that are useful. So before you throw anything away, think, could an insect live in that? Maybe able to repurpose it. So the basic structure of this bug hotel is a pallet. This is a two-story hotel. If you have more wood available or pallets, you can be more ambitious and create additional stories into a bug mansion. If you don't have a pallet, you might have some bits of wood you could nail together. And then the basic idea is to fill in the holes with whatever you have. Bricks are really good if you can find any bricks they've got holes in. This is an old pet nesting box which we filled with some dead grass. Likewise, this is a old bird feeder that we've also filled with some dead grass from the garden. You can fill in holes with bits of stones, pebbles, bark, wood, anything that you can find really. Bamboo canes are particularly good, so if you've got any broken bamboo canes, don't throw them away, because solitary bees and things like to particularly spend the winter in these smaller gaps. Some fungi growing on this wood, so it's not just for invertebrates. So fill in as much gaps as you can. You might want to, on the top, our neighbour was a builder, so had some spare slates, but you could have a natural green roof with moss or anything. You can decorate it, make it look pretty. And then having quite a wild part of the garden, let the lawn grow, or here we've let the vegetation grow up. Nettles are particularly a good food source for some invertebrates. So it's not just insects, it's all kind of invertebrates would use this bug hotel. Millipedes, spiders, saw one here the other day when I was having a look. Mostly in the winter, but you can use it all times of year. And if you sign up to our new campaign called Action for Insects, there's a free downloadable 20-page guide on various things you can do to help insects. And this is one of the things that's detailed in that guide as something you can do when you're at home.